In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use command block to flatten land in Minecraft. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a command block to delete any blocks, essentially flattening land with ease. So to do this, you will have to gather a set of coordinates and then input a specific command into the command block. So I'm going to showcase this with this little stone biome that I have here. So imagine that you will be selecting an area using coordinates. So the first coordinate is going to be this corner and then the other one will be over there. So it essentially selects everything that is around this island. So note down the first coordinate. I recommend using a second monitor to do this. So the x, y, and z are going to be 163, 63, minus 33. So you can see them at the top left over there. Once you have the first corner noted down, fly to the secondary one. So I'm going to choose this corner over here because I don't want to cut too much. So again, fly to the second corner and then note down the coordinates. So 145, 68, and then minus 61. Now the command that you will have to run will be this one. /fill, then you input the first set of coordinates. So 160, 63, minus 33. Then the secondary set, 145, 68, minus 61. And finally, you end it with air. So essentially, we're going to be filling all of those blocks with air. And then if you run this command block, all of them will be deleted. And then, of course, you can repeat the same thing over and over. It seems like there is a limit to the range that this command can be used on, so keep that in mind. And you can also run it in chat, so you don't necessarily have to use a command block. As long as you choose specific areas and you run that command, you will be able to delete all the blocks within that range. I hope I was able to help you on how to use command block to flatten land Minecraft. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.